afternoon, students. This is our second video of our science lectures, that is chemistry part, acid, bases and salt, standard 10th CBSE board. Okay, so this is my second lecture. If you have not seen my first video, you can go to my channel and just see the video. Okay, so in this particular chapter, in this particular lecture, we are going to understand the topic of salt. What is basically salt? Salt hota kya hai? And we will see in depth about the chemical properties of acids and bases. So for your convenience, I have already written the things so that we can conclude the chapter very fast. Okay, so what are salts? Salts are combination of cations and anions. Cations means what? Any metal, any element, basically metal ही होता है. So any element containing positive charge is called cation, and these cations are mostly they are metals. Okay, just like sodium, magnesium, calcium, they possess positive charge by donating their electron. So any element which possess positive charge by donation of electron is considered as cation. और यहाँ पे जो salt बनता है, ये जो cation होता है, that is salt. That is basically a metal. Okay, so in this case, it is a product of reaction between acids and bases. As you all know, कि when we react acid with base, it will form what? It will form salt and water. So salt is a product of what? It is a product of reaction between acids and bases. So here I have written a reaction, that is acid plus base gives salt and water. Example we have taken, that is HCl and NaOH. HCl here, it is a acid, NaOH, it's a base. It will form salt, that is NaCl plus water. NaCl is also called what? It is also called common salt or table salt, which we use in our day-to-day life. In our kitchens, we use this particular salt, that is table salt or common salt. It is also called sodium chloride, NaCl. For your means better understanding, salt is not only NaCl. Any metal combining with non-metal to form two opposite ions, it is called salt. Example I will be writing. I have kept some space here. I would be writing here. Just let's say MgCl2, magnesium chloride, CaCl2, calcium chloride. Okay, these are also what? These are also salts. Magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, these are also nothing but they are also salt. Salt, why? Because magnesium is a metal and chlorine sulfate groups are either non-metal or combination of non-metals. Okay, so chlorine is a non-metal, sulfur is non-metal, oxygen is non-metal, sulfate group, SO4 is a sulfate group, SO4 2-, it is a anionic salt. Okay, sorry, it is a anion coming in combination with what? MgSO4, CaSO4 to form salt. Okay, ये examples हैं. So common salt or table salt, why we consider it as salt? Because it combines two elements, that is NaCl, sodium chloride. This sodium chloride when get dissociated, it will form Na plus plus Cl minus. तो यहाँ पे आपको दो चार्ज मिलेगा, that is एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव. This positive charge, that is sodium cation and chloride ion और chlorine anion. Okay, ये भी अगर टूटेगा, let's say अगर ये टूटता है तो बनेगा Mg2 plus plus 2Cl minus. ठीक है, so it is cation and this is anion. So I hope you would have understood the things. Next is what? Next is acids. So chemical properties of acids and bases. First of all, we have to understand how acids are classified. In chemistry, acids are broadly classified into two on a very simple basis. They are classified under two categories. First one is organic acid, second one is mineral acid or inorganic acid. This mineral acid is also called inorganic acid, and organic acid means the acid which are obtained from plant or animal. We have numerous examples. I have taken only two, one for plant and one for animal. So tartaric acid which we obtain from tamarind tree, citric acid which we obtain from citrus fruit, जो खट्टे फ्रूट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे कि लेमन, ऑरेंजेस, उससे मिल जाएगा। एनिमल से क्या मिलेगा? फॉर्मिक एसिड कहाँ से मिलेगा? एंट से। कैप्रोइक एसिड कहाँ से मिलेगा? गोट से। सो दिस पर्टिकुलर acids which we get from natural sources or organic sources are considered as organic acids, and mineral acids which we obtain basically from earth crust और माइनिंग से, माइन से हमको मिलेगा, माइनिंग करने के बाद हमको वो चीज़ें मिलती हैं, वो एसिड्स मिलते हैं, इसके लिए हम लोग बोलते हैं उसको मिनरल एसिड्स। सो we can taste the organic acids when they are diluted. It's quite simple. You can taste these acids when they are diluted. If you consume them when they are not diluted, basically you will find their taste quite harsh, ठीक है? Just take a lemon and try to just taste it. You will find bit its taste quite sour. Okay, but what you do, you just dissolve it in water and then try to taste it. You will find its taste bit mild. Okay, so you can taste it. It cannot harm you, or it's not hazardous to our health. In fact, we have taken example of acetic acid which we use as vinegar in different forms. You might have been to this or you might have consumed Chinese products, Chinese foods, chow mein, Manchurian and all those things. So you might have used this particular acetic acid as a vinegar. Vinegar is 10% acetic acid solution, 10 to 15%. Okay, so I hope you might have understood the things. Now we will go to inorganic acids. So inorganic acids are hazardous to our life, and therefore we cannot consume them. If we happen to consume them, they can destroy our internal structures. Example, okay, diluted form में भी वो हमको नुकसान करेंगे, not as much as they are doing in concentrated form, but they will definitely harm us. So now in this case I have taken example of HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. They are going to harm our body when we happen to consume them. Okay, so properties of acids. Acid की chemical properties क्या हैं? We have considered chemical properties. So they turn blue litmus red. Litmus paper, it's a kind of indicator which will let us know about the nature of a chemical substance, whether it is acidic or basic in nature. So if blue litmus turns into red, which means what? A particular substance is a acid. When acids combine with base, they will form what? Salt and water neutralization reaction, and their pH is less than 7. Okay, when we come to base, I hope you might have understood the topic of acid. Okay, if you have not understood, just go through the video again. Okay, so bases are basically, they are inorganic in nature. They are not organic, they are basically inorganic in nature. Their properties I have taken straight away. They turn red litmus into blue. They form salt and water when combined with acid. Okay, they will form salt and water when combined with acid, and their pH is greater than 7. I have not taken example. I will give you the example, that is NaOH, KOH, CaOH twice. These are the examples, that is sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and calcium hydroxides are some examples of these bases. I hope you might have understood with this particular video. I hope you might have got some insight about salts, properties of acids and properties of base. I will be making another video on topics in continuation. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much.